I'd just like to point out my little laundry that I own. Thank you to TikTok for getting me this, because lifesaver, and I don't have to go to the laundry. A little spinner thingy to dry it. And I just hang my clothes to air dry. Alright, now, what's up, guys? So now I'm headed to Queens to take photos for my friend Sam. Her. I'm a good friend. What can I say? No, it should be fun seeing different locations and see what I can do with the camera. Man, I'm not really a photographer. I like shooting video more often, and I love acting more. Still got work to do on that though, but it's the first love, and then videos, and then everything else. Yeah. All right. So I'm headed to Queens now. Fun. Fucking what an idiot. What are you doing, guy? You had a red light. I can't stand certain people. Alright. Thank you. Alright.
Or like a black t-shirt with like these jeans, since I have like the paint.
Did you have the paint?
So I didn't want to like wear a shirt that was gonna take away from that.
I don't understand females and fucking pictures. It's so annoying, bro. Oh my god. You're an asshole.
I'm very much not an asshole.
Oh jeez, I don't take pictures and have the whole thing set up.
Oh my god, fucking super.
Alright, I'm pressing charges on you. Done. So you're saying outfit 1 is complete?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
What?
I don't want to keep doing this. What the fuck? How many outfits do you have?
I just have 2, but like my next
So this is
outfit,
1, right?
This is 1.
So next one's the last one.
Yeah, but I have like 3 different jackets that I have with the next one. Like 3 different like ways to like. It's like jeans and a black shirt, and then like a blazer, and then my leather jacket, and then a green like shirt that I tied around my waist. It's good.
There's no winning. There's no winning.
Shut up.
Alright, second location we're at, what's this place called?
Arcadia.
Arcadia in Queens. Boom, right here. Alright. I swear I'm not a photographer, but whatever. I'll link Sam's Instagram below so you can see her pictures and shit. Yeah. Alright, we're done, and look at some of the shots. Boom, they're so ugly. Bam. I am not a photographer. I don't know why you like these pictures. And I can't even focus. Fucking camera. Manual. Not bad. Keep going. Overhead shot. Boom. Boom. Yay.
I look stupid.
Let's go. Hold on. That was fun, Sam. I guess.
Thank you. Seriously.
Alright. You're welcome. I'm going to Best Buy, Home Depot, and then home to edit. I'm going to Best Buy because I need a mic for Wednesday because I'm doing a video for Sunday. I think it's going to be really special for me, and I'd love to share it for you guys if you guys are watching. It's gonna mean a lot to me, so it's gonna be fun. I can't wait. Sam already knows the idea, but yeah.
Why is all of our cars?
I just got shot so many fucking times. Oh fuck! I got shot. All right. Best Buy. Let's go. Oh, hello, Depot. How are ya? Depot? Home Depot? Oh, that's not funny. I'm trying to look for an adapter piece for this thingy. I think this one fits. think, yeah, I think it's this one. It's pretty fat up there too, so I don't know. Might get that. Alright, found the funnel. Excited. Alright, second spot. Best Buy. Blue Yeti Nano. I'm getting this one. It's worth an investment, so might as well, you know. Alrighty. I'm broke again. But hey, worth the investment, you know? Now I am heading home. Because I gotta paint. Totally forgot. Yeah. Alright, here's a session of me drawing for my scene. It's supposed to be a self-portrait that looks like a child did it. Yeah. Here we go. Just gonna draw anything. It's supposed to look really bad, so. Alright, I'm like done for now. Artist. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. Oh shit, there you go. Alright guys, it was a nice full day to the photo shoot. If that makes any sense. It wasn't a photo shoot, just helping a friend take pictures. Had to go to Home Depot to get a funnel for my little washer thingamajiggy that you saw in the beginning of the video. What else did I do? Oh, Best Buy to get a mic. That's an investment. Decided to use it come Wednesday. And then you saw me painting. Great. Alright guys, well, like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff if you want. And I'll see you guys mañana. That's Spanish for tomorrow. Alright guys.